Guys, I'm doing the
There's
floor.
Karen.
Outside.
Can we go outside,
cool.
Jody? The blizzard, man.
The blizzard. They sound very safe.
Oh.
Not today, guys. Please.
Can we see what it's like?
Look,
I got him off the floor.
this is how we see what it's like.
She's
No.
out here.
Now look. Look at it.
Let Joe do it from that way. I don't want Max
Well, I hear
tomorrow
it.
by the door.
Yeah.
Joe can go out tomorrow maybe when it's...
Look at it. It's bad out.
I say it's dead.
Yeah. It's awesome. Tomorrow, can you record it outside?
Wait, first we'll see if this works.
All right.
Then I'll put my coat on. Hi, Bunny.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi.
Bye,
Now
bye.
remember, if we get this to work, we have to remember to save it. Try to mark this tape and make sure I don't
The blizzard.
record over it like the last one, huh, Bunny?
Yes,
Where's the rest of the imbeciles? Or,
Come follow. Look,
Or
get a
blizzard.
picture of Maxie.
you need a new one of these.
Joe?
Oh, Maxie.
He's eating or
Aw.
he's drinking.
How cute.
Whoops.
You scared him.
Max.
He's thirsty.
Joe, he's
Max.
drinking. Let him go.
Yeah, baby. Look at
Good
him.
boy.
Good boy.
That's it.
It's some storm out there, isn't it?
Oh, boy. Look at Maxie.
Joe, it's coming in the door.
Oh,
coming in
well,
the door.
maybe we should shut it.
Let's look. Let me see it come in the door.
Look at it.
Wow.
It's coming in from the top.
Oh, that's neat.
Get that, Joe. Get that. Hey, it's blowing off my steps, though.
Look at it coming in.
Boy, that ain't even sealed tight.
There's the shovel.
One. The blue one handle's
And
going.
the other one's over here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's over there.
That's
You gotta get a close-up view, Joe, of it. Gotta get a close-up view of
See
it.
if that was
I know.
working. He wanted to get that fixed. That's.
Stop it and see.
No, this.
Oh,
Oh,
he's
there's Maxie.
thirsty.
Still in.
He's so thirsty. Look at him.
He's my
Max.
big boy. Max?
There he is. All right.
You look at this out later.
Okay.
I'm gonna shut it for now, okay?
Hurry up. Put a catch.
Yes,
the
I'm
door.
up there.
Look at that.
You all right, Earl?
Getting blown away here, Joe.
Let's get going.
I just got a... Hi, Joe! It's cold out here and I just got hit by a freaking
Here.
sleet!
Ah, wait.
Okay.
Close the storm door at least. Ah.
Where's the ruler? Need the ruler.
Yeah, you gotta get the ruler out.
Here, I'll go get the ruler.
Oh, it's turning to sleep.
Someone answer
It's
the
gonna
door
be
so I
rain
can get the
soon.
ruler! Ah, where's our door?
Oh, here comes Eric.
I'll be right back here.
All right, we better get back in. There she is.
I assume that before
What?
this storm hit, one of the
Not taking my picture like
She
that.
looks disturbed.
whether would have to evaluate was
This is
whether
why.
the storm
Jim Gardner.
would move out to sea
Action News.
sooner or later, and now it appears that this storm is perfectly content to stay overland and
Yes.
just move itself right up the coastline.
Exactly. At this point, the center of the storm is just entering Virginia. It'll stay on the coast probably about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll be passing the Delmarva Peninsula, then moving out to sea by about 7 o'clock tomorrow night. But then we still have wraparound moisture to contend with. Even once the low is out to sea, we'll still get those winds wrapping around, and that means probably until about noon tomorrow we could get snow falling. So even when the low is out in the Atlantic, it really won't be ending quite anything.
Flashing?
Hey!
We be flashing.
Freaking!
Oh, this is Maxie 3 years later.
Oh, look at Maxie, honey.
Cute.
Camcorder
Yeah,
Mom.
he's got so big. I got mom. Mine was miserable.
Now we do have
Let's go outside.
All right, let's go.
Hold on.
Like an extension cord.
All right. Let's go. Oh!
Oh,
Whoops.
Bonnie,
Sorry,
do me a
Joe.
favor. Tape those cords together so it doesn't come
Let's go,
apart.
Earl.
The duct tape.
What, these?
Yeah, tape them together. That way it doesn't. Remember 3 years ago it came unplugged and we stopped?
Come on, let's go. I'll probably kill myself with these ones.
Man, the duct tape, man.
Alright,
That kind of
Rose goes coat.
You gotta use the whole
Why do you
roll.
want this together or
Karen's
this?
getting boots.
Oh, this.
Yep.
Max doing?
Scratch it.
Oh, I wish Eric came. Where's
Let's
Max?
move.
Look at him. Oh, look
Max.
at Midnight. Max.
Maxie and Nino.
Maxie!
Little key. Oh, recording my Midnight.
There he is. There's Maxie. Anybody mess up on duct tape?
Well,
It was
we're
like
not.
Yeah,
that.
you did. Thrilled to
And this
death.
is how she was.
That ain't
Earl.
coming off.
Yeah,
Earl
duct-
works at Royal Auto.
Let's go, Earl.
We had another
not
malfunction.
this.
We're back. Okay.
We're having a lot of mouth.
We're together.
Oh.
I love how the
malfunction.
duct tape stuck to my shoe.
That adds for ornamentation.
Alright, let's go
Sit there.
outside.
Oh, it's good. I like that. Now, give me this plug.
Little
Hey,
cold
bud.
here,
You
Karen.
handle the extension cord. All right, here we go.
Oh wow, look at Mom's car.
Whoa!
Earl's caddy under snow.
Man, look at
Oh, this
this.
is
Wow.
Look
Hey,
at
give me
Eric.
some
There's
cord,
Eric.
hon. You can shut the door.
Yeah,
neat. Karen.
what? Ow! Whoa!
He's throwing me cord. Throw me more. Good. Okay, now you can shut the door or something. Screen door, maybe.
Oh,
You smell it?
no, I think that's sewage.
Look at Bunny's car. Well, this is a 94 or 95 Escort, people.
And we're.
Where's Bunny? There she is. Say hi, honey.
Woo!
This is an 82 van.
It's cold out here.
Karen,
A2
this
van.
is a 69 van.
Still
Back in
Still
1942.
not as covered as the 95, you will notice.
Look at our
Okay,
Cadillac.
footprints. Karen, go out
Cadillac.
into the snow there.
Huh?
Go out there, walk out there.
Well, can you let me go get socks on?
Huh? Well, why'd you come out unprepared?
Karen come out half
Oh, here,
naked
you
here.
film me.
Half naked.
Okay, how do you do it?
That's it. Just
You
point.
gotta hold the camera.
Where? I can't see you. Just point.
Just point. Hold this.
Joe, my hands
Gotta
are...
hold this.
Hold what?
She
Why?
came out unprepared.
Joe.
Here.
Yeah, I
Shoulder.
just look through this mirror
Do
thing?
not drop that.
Do I just look through the mirror?
Yeah, see? You can see me, right?
Yeah,
There
Joe.
we go. Now look at my footprints.
Cadillac under here somewhere.
Look at, there's Joey. Keep going down. Wave to the camera, Joe. Now fall. No.
Don't fall into my
This is
car.
a 74 Caddy.
Let me-
Antenna.
Look at the tag. Look at the bumper. And there's Earl. And there's Joe again.
Creature coming up the street.
Ha,
Here,
look,
Karen.
huh?
Creature coming up the street.
Where? Who is that? It's Anthony.
He's
Wave.
got the Tony walk. You can tell.
Yep, that's Anthony.
Karen,
They're up there. And there's Earl.
up to
There
my
goes
knees.
Maybe we can find.
There's Joe.
Maybe we can find Eric.
Earl, you fucking asshole!
What do you do?
He kicked snow into me.
There goes Tony. Zoom in on him. Holy Hannah, it doesn't even want to focus. So, it's so bad out here that it won't focus.
Oh!
It will not focus.
Hold on, my foot's frozen. I'll be back.
Where's Earl? Oh, there he is. All right, Earl.
Ugh. There.
Okay, they're going in. I think I'm gonna follow. Here I come.
Shutting the door.
Hey!
Oops.
Let me in!
Saying goodbye.
Here's our lovely home.
Bunny! Help me with my cord again.
Joe, I'm gonna run
Ah,
out.
it's pretty deep.
Joe.
That was fun.
Joe, I'm running out.
Fading out. Say bye, Karen.
Why am I saying bye?
Well, safety is always at maximum status. we are mandated by our director and our operations people that we will only operate when the airport is completely safe. We won't take anything less than complete. So we want to assure our passengers that if they're flying to Philadelphia International, it's total safety. We're not going to bypass that one IC spot. We'll keep the airport closed until the runways and the taxiways are completely clean. Our people go out there and they do runway checks. They have meters that measure the traction of the braking action on the runways. So we have a number of safety features that we employ to make sure that the airfield is safe. We will not open the airport if the airport is not safe. There's no question about it.
Mark, I know you're not in the business of second-guessing the airlines. American Airlines says it hopes to be back in business by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and U.S. Air hopes to be back in business by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Do you think that those target times are realistic?
Well, I don't want to speculate what the airlines are going to do. We're looking for closure until at least 6 a.m. tomorrow. A little before that, we'll have an update on the time frame. Maybe even a little later tonight, we'll have a more realistic time.
Joe, say hi.
Hi, Bunny just let the chicken overboil here, but don't worry, I'm here to
Because
help.
our house isn't going to be on fire
I
yet.
helped.
Let me just carry this with me and give Joe. Say hey.
Hey, Blizzard.
Joe.
Oh, look at Eric's pants.
Wait, Eric, come here.
Look. Hurry up, get Eric's long john.
Hold this for me.
Eric's long john.
Joe, I'm stepping on something. What am I on? Yo, what's this thing stuck on?
Karen,
What?
what'd you do?
I didn't do nothing. Alright, let's go.
Kick the thing.
Here's the mirror.
Action News reporter Dan Quaya.
And there's my assistant, Joe.
In the mirror, too,
Joe.
look.
There he is. And there's me recording. Alright, let's go.
Business owners.
There's another mirror. Wave. Alright, let's go. I can't see nothing. It's too dark. Where's Eric? I can't see nothing. Eric, say hi to the camera. And there's our pot leaf poster.
There's dick face.
There's faggot.
Lesbian.
And there's over here.
What?
Anthony, which I don't think I'm focusing in on.
You're at my jacket.
Huh? Hold on, I'm looking at my phone.
Alright, Karen, look at the new drop ceiling I did today.
Alright.
There it is. See, there it is.
Am I pointing at it? Yep. There it is.
Am I pointing at it?
There it
There
is.
it is. Look, we go. Take you through the living room now. You notice my first project here is done.
Looks very good, Joe.
Oh yes, and there's Karen's,
There's the middle light.
Karen's picture up on the wall.
Right there where I look like I'm stoned. And then down here's midnight. And let's look at the kitchen.
Kitchen ain't quite done
Ceiling.
yet.
But
Almost.
it's doing good. It's real good.
Good there.
And there's our coffee maker and our shelf
Birthday present.
right here, which was Christmas.
Christmas. You're
Christmas.
right. You're right.
And then there's Joe again.
Well, it's a shame it's getting dark. Well, there's plenty down the hallway. Here, let me zoom in.
How do you zoom it?
Here, I'll show you. Point at it. Point
Got
at
it?
See her?
No. Yeah.
Get it bigger.
Yeah, really big.
Real big now.
Yeah.
See her?
Hi, Mom. Say hi. Smile.
Smile! Dance! Run at us!
And
Do
who's
something.
that? Who's that? Who's that peeking out of my room?
Do something!
Joe, how did you zoom that
Look
in
at that
on?
guy's name, Joe Bastard.
No, wait, you're not on it yet. Bastard.
Joe's Bastard! Joe Bastard. What a name! Alright,
How do
fade
you
out.
focus on?
Time to fade out.
Fade out for a minute?
Yeah, we're gonna fade. So you press this thing. It says fade.
Yeah.
And
So
then
that
you go
means.
like this.
So what's fade mean?
Watch.
Bye.
Is this for the bill for the front office?
Yeah. There we have somebody working hard. All these hard-working people. Working hard?
Jim is first, Ken.
Got a pile of it.
Let him dig out the rust. Yeah, you got a big block of ice right here. Falling over. That's what you did. Watch out, go throw that right up in there. Watch out.
Get the fuck up there.
There's no fly back in here.
Get out, guys.
What are you doing, Eric? See what Eric's doing. Eric, what the hell are you doing? Eric, what are you doing? Yo. Well, he refuses to let me know what he's doing. Digging a hole or something. It's called a blizzard here. Well, shovel the path back there. Well, I guess maybe I'll grab a shovel and help these guys.
Yo, Eric. Eric, you want to make a pack of cigarettes?
Funny's car.
You need a pack.
Help me shovel, me and Garrett shovel. Give a pack of cigarettes to whoever wants to help shovel. You are? Yeah. Cart, man. Soft pack, though. I don't care.